Hey guys, what's up? Venom here, and today I'll be showing you how to put together a torso using AVFigure decals. So, AVFigure decals come in sheets like this. They are soon to be updated to where you can more easily see where which piece goes. So, you want to cut these two pieces on the top left out, and these two bars, I guess you could say, right here out. This whole rectangle side, and you have to cut them out individually. And you're gonna ask, which side where do these go? So it's kind of obvious about these two where the front and back ones go, but these ones right here are a little more complicated and don't seem as obvious as what to use. Now I use if you look at these little black bars on the top sides of these torsos, you will see that one is more thin than the other, and one is more thick on this other side and bigger. Now, the thin one is for the front. As you can tell, it's more thin. This back is more bold. So you're gonna look for the bigger, like the back one that has the bigger side, and so the bigger side is obviously this back side right here that goes into the middle. So it's gonna go into the back. And the shorter side is going to go to the torso, right where those black pieces are. And what you're going to do when you put your decal in the water, you're going to want to line up these lines here at the very bottom with this side piece right there, right beside the little ammo pouch on either side, as well as the waistband that goes all the way around. Much like how this Cody is. See how it's all lined up? Like that. You can kind of see how it's lined up. And you see how it just gets bigger by the back. That's what you're going to do. So, let's go ahead and put the decals in the water, and we'll see how it goes. So I usually start off with my front torso, so I just put it in the water already. I work my way from front, left, back, and right. If that makes any sense. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my decal solution that is not needed, just recommended. So I'm going to rub a little bit of that on there. I'm going to go ahead and put in my other decals. So you want to make sure you have it all lined up, which ones are going to go where. So front, this one goes there, okay. So I'm working from left, so the shorter side's going to go facing me. There, it's a little shorter on the right side. So, all right, and now I'm going to pull up my front torso, take it off the paper, put it in there. And then I'm just simply gonna put it down like that, and I gotta make sure it's all gonna line up, because if you don't do the front torso right, or whichever side you start off with, then the whole torso is gonna be wrong. So there you go, I have it. We're gonna seal it real quick. Sponge, flip it on its side. That's like what I like to do. Put in the back torso in the water. Get the put some more decal solution on. Decal solution is also helpful for cleaning off unclean surfaces if you forget to clean it. So peel off the other side. So, like I showed earlier, the right side's gonna be the shorter side, and we're gonna just lay it on there nicely. We're gonna make sure it's all lined up with the front torso, otherwise it's all gonna be screwed up. And it's all lined up. So that dark bar at the top is all lined up and ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and seal it down with the sponge. And we're going to put the last decal in the water, which is left side is the short side. Alright, and we're going to prep the back. we're going to put some more decal solution on. We're going to slide the decal off the paper, throw the paper away, put it on the Lego. Make sure it's all lined up before you put your sponge on it. And it is okay if you need to pull or put the decal back in water, as water does not hurt the decal. You just want to be careful not to tear the decal. So it's already sealed. Time for the last side, the easier side, now that you have it all mastered. More decal solution. Then the left side, the short side, we're going to go ahead and slide that decal right on. Make sure it's all lined up before sealing with your sponge. And there you guys have, oh gosh, dang it. And there you guys have your torso, if it doesn't fall off like mine just did. Because I didn't seal it right. Dang it. Gotta line it all back up again. Fudgeritos. Anyway, that's all for now. I'll show you guys another tutorial soon. I'll be doing some helmets very, very soon for the 501st collection. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and this is Venom out.